Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
Okay. So in the Jira or in the ServiceNow, that ticket will be created and from there it will be assigned to the respective consultants, module-specific consultant, and that module-specific consultants can able to access that particular support ticket. Now, what are the type of support tickets we can able to expect? We have a service issue, ticket change request ticket, and incidents. Incident is something like, the configuration is correct but the result is not coming correctly. So to analyze it, so they will be keeping that type of a requirement under the incident, okay. Change request is something where, in these phases, whatever configuration which we have done apart from that configuration, if any new configuration is there coming up, that they are putting it in the change request okay. That they are putting it in the change request. That is a new requirement, so that will be taken care by the support consultant. Similarly, service issue means configuration is correct, but there is an issue with the application. So issue with the application means the application is by default from SAP. So we need to coordinate with SAP. So that is coming under this one. That is coming under service issue. Okay. So we have a service issue, we have a change request, and we have an incident which is generally covered under the ticketing tool, and we have a two type of ticketing tools. One is Jira and one is ServiceNow. Okay. Got it. Understood the process here, the entire implementation process, and, after implementation, how the support team take over from the implementation team. Any questions here? No, I'm good. Okay. Because when you're getting into a project, these are something which nobody will tell you. Okay, this generally comes with an experience, or when you get some activity. You will know, okay, this is the process, or in a project which goes on. Okay, but if I am just elaborating to you, then you will be mentally prepared when you're entering into a project. This may be the process in your project which they will follow. So you will have a clarity. You should not be a new person. You'll be aware of these things. That is the thing. This topic also I just covered in the introduction to mastery. Okay. Then comes the another topic, that is deployment. Okay, deployment means what? When you are getting into a project. When you are getting into a project, we should be having a clarity that what is the type of project, what is the type of customer? What is the landscape? What is the type of customer you are having? Okay, so your customer. You may be handling multiple customers. So you can also see what is the type of customers you are handling means, what is the system they are following. Okay, so they are following some existing system. Now they're totally migrating from the existing to the new system, that is, SuccessFactors system. Okay, that is one scenario. They are going with the existing system also and they want to keep the SuccessFactors system also. For example, they are using SAP, HR or Oracle. Okay, now they want to keep the Oracle system also. But they want to also add SuccessFactor also. Okay, so in that case, what will happen? They're keeping two systems. One is the legacy system, that is, Oracle, and another one is the SuccessFactors system. Okay, so that type of model which a company is following, that is called as a hybrid model. That is known as a hybrid model. Okay, that is known as a hybrid model. So if you have a customer where your customer is having a system that is SAP, HR also, or some existing system also, and also cloud, that is SuccessFactor, then that type of a system is called as a hybrid model. Okay, full cloud SCM means what? Full cloud SCM means already they are using Oracle. Now they are totally migrating from the Oracle to the SuccessFactor. Okay, so it indicates that now they are not using other Oracle. They are totally moving into the cloud. So in that case, what will happen? They are totally winding up the existing system and they are totally moving up from the existing system to the cloud. That type of a system is called as a full cloud SCM. Okay, so you may be having a customer where they are totally moved into the SF application, that is, into the cloud. Now the third scenario is something like a side-by-side deployment. Side-by-side deployment is another scenario where your customer having a group of companies. So this group of companies, suppose let's take a group of company like Reliance, where they are having various other entities. They are into infrastructure, they are into retail, they are into oil gas refinery. So Reliance don't want to go into the entire implementation for all the entities, but they will be going for the implementation for first one entity and they will go and see if this entity is working successfully, then they will go for the another entities. Okay, if that is the process, then what they will do? They will go up with, suppose, infrastructure as a one entity and they will be going and implementing. After maybe 1 year or 2 years, they can able to plan up for rolling out that implementation to the another entities. That type of a model is called as a side-by-side deployment model. Okay, that type of a model if a company is following, that is called as a side-by-side deployment model. Okay, where the implementation is going on a phase-to-phase basis. Phase 1 it will be going with one country or one entity, and the phase 2 it will be going with another countries and another entities in the coming years. Okay, that is called as a side-by-side deployment. Okay, any questions here in terms of deployment models? No. Is it clear? Is it okay? Yeah, it's clear. Okay, fine, great. Then going into the another topic, that is set up for visioning, we have already completed, right? This topic we have completed, right? Last session. Previous session. Yeah, you showed the screenshots how we are applying for the provisioning as user IDs, and okay, that we have already covered.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.